Gonna say the way you move, gonna make you sweat, gonna make you groove. Now, hey everybody, welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha, and over here is the producer of the show, or whatever you want to call him, Michael Lyons. You want to say hello, Michael?
Yeah, sure. Hey, everybody. How you doing? Welcome back to the show.
And today, we're going to sing a song by none other than John Denver. It turns out we got kind of a lot of John Denver fans who watch this show, huh?
Yeah, it's true.
Okay, so this is Country Roads by John Denver. Get up here, man.
All right. Almost heaven, West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountain, Shenandoah River. Life is old there, older than the trees, younger than the mountains, glowing like a breeze. Country roads take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia. Mountain mama, take me home, country roads. All my memories gather round her, miner's lady, stranger to blue water. Dark and dusty, painted on the sky, a misty taste of moonshine, teardrop in my eye. Country roads take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia. Mountain mama, take me home, country roads. I hear her voice in the morning hour, she calls me. The radio reminds me of my home far away. And driving down the road I get the feeling that I should have been home yesterday. Yesterday, country roads take me home to the place where I belong, West Virginia. Mountain mama, take me home, country roads. Take me home, down country roads. Take me home, down country roads. And you have been watching BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Michael Lyons, and this is Natasha. And I will see you again. Gigawaba min, Minowa. Hoa. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Also, you can still contribute to our GoFundMe page. Just click the link to that. Thank you so much. Miigwech. Chi miigwech. Big thanks. All right, let's get out of here.